Aladdin Air Conditioning and Heating is an authorized dealer and warranty provider for the industry's top manufacturers. One of our factory-trained comfort advisors will come to your home for a thorough home comfort analysis. This ensures that all parts of your system are inspected and all of your questions and concerns are addressed. Our comfort advisor will then provide multiple leading-edge solutions to meet all of your comfort needs. Finding just the right system for you and your home is only half the job. Aladdin's experience of quality installations and expertise of our factory-trained and certified installers will ensure peak performance of your new system and equipment, save you money on your energy bills, and give you the comfort and quiet that your new system should provide. And we back all of our work with Aladdin's own 100% satisfaction guarantee. With over 30 years of experience, we know what works and what doesn't, and we do the job right the first time. Give us a call today.